Hi everybody, it's Miss Saxon from the Media Center, and I wanted to show you a little bit about our catalog that's called Destiny and how you can access books at home. So I'm going to send you a link for Destiny. There's also a code that you can scan on the bookmark that you got in your supply bag. That's an easy way to get to the site. You can also search Burruss Media Center and you can find our webpage, and there's a link to it on there. This is our Destiny Discover page, and so I wanted to show you ebooks because I'm guessing that a lot of you don't access our ebooks. We have over 250 ebooks, I found out, and so it's a great way to read some books at home. You can just type in ebooks to see exactly what we have. And I'm going to sort of scroll down. You can see we have a lot of nonfiction ones. And it'll have a flag that says N if it's available. You can see right here it says ebook, and it has the call number. We have these ones on the military. We have several on animals. And so what I'm going to do, there's some biographies. We have some fiction ones too, but we have a good variety. Especially if you guys are, especially like with the nonfiction, I think we really have a good selection. So I'm going to click on this one that says Animal Communication. I'm going to click on Open. And you can see down here, you can click where it says Read Page by Page or Read the Book All at Once. I'm going to click Page by Page. And you can see this is a
Animal Communication
Read to You book.
by Abby Dunn.
So
How
it's a little
do
loud.
animals communicate?
But you can also, I'm going to click right here
Animals
again.
can't.
It has a control panel right here. So you can click off the audio if you want to read it yourself. If you don't want to hear the narrator, then I can just go read myself in my own voice and not hear the narrator. But if you like hearing the narrator, it has that function down here where you can click on audio. So that's a nice sort of function to have. So definitely think about trying that out. I'm going to just back out of this so you can see again how I did it. I searched ebooks. This is our selection. You can just scroll down. You can also search by subject or genre if you want to narrow it down, but you can see we have over 259. You can also check by reading level if you want to try to make sure you're getting something that's on your level. You can even do like by subject or genre. You know, we have several different ones. We have a couple action and adventure ones. You know, we don't have a huge collection of ebooks, but it is definitely something that you can check out. So if you see one that you're interested in, you can click on it, go to Open. You can read page by page or all at once. And if you don't like the sound, you can click down here and click this little button that says Audio and click that off. Okay, well, I hope you'll try it out, and let me know if you try it out and you like them. And if you want more ebooks, let us know. Let me and Miss McEwen know. Thank you, and bye.